A woo boo boo, a ram boom boo, right to left. Always start reading from the right side of the page. Practice moving your finger along the words right to left.
No capital or lowercase letters. Hebrew letters are always the same size. No uppercase or lowercase. Only some letters have
Special final forms at the end of a word,
like no.
No isn't simple Hebrew sentences. Hebrew often leaves out the word is habem bagan. The sun is in the garden. Habem bagan. The sun is in the garden. Means the that means and ba means in the vowels are helpers, not letters. Though you had to say the word, they are not counted as separate letters.
Can be a letter or a vowel. As a letter, we go foul.
Yo with a dot inside. Ooh, vowel.
Shudu how.
Just 7 kamatz is a deeper.
Kamag.
Itat is a lighter.
Like cat.
I 8 silent aleph. Aleph is usually silent. It holds the vowel sound but doesn't make its own sound. 9 special sound. Chet. Chet makes a deep soft sound.
Clearing your throat.
It's not a hard K like kite. It's more like strong breath. Then it 10 big tips sound out slowly and confidently. Break it into letter plus vowel pieces. Say one syllable at a time.
Hebrew is about rhythm and flow. You'll get faster with practice. Hebrew grammar rules.
Beginner level tips and tricks. Open da da, open da. The sun is in the garden. How means no, that means and ga ba means in. Vowels are helpers, not letters. Though you had to say the word, they are not counted as separate letters. Happen da da, open da. The sun is in the garden. Means no, that means and ga ba means in the. Vowels are helpers, not letters. Though you had to say the word, they are not counted as separate letters. Do do do. Rested tips and tricks can be a letter. Woo if as a lepers, my vowel